Still opening shop before sunrise and locking up after dark?
Tariffs, freight delays, everything's harder now.
Good help? Impossible to find. I'm covering shifts myself.
Tried to plan an exit, but there's no one to take the business over.
Brokers, they are all talk. Expensive. They watch you burn out.
If I stop, they're out of a job. This business feeds families.
And what do? Work until it all collapses. Then I called BuildDirect, told them I needed a real way out.
They bought the business, took care of my people, fast and fair. Everyone kept their job. Some even got promoted.
Now I collect rent. I rest easy knowing BuildDirect is taking care of my business and my team. If you care about your team and your future, call BuildDirect today.
It was easy.
They respected my team.
No games. Yeah. No guilt. I got my time back, and my people are taken care of.